Hello, hi, welcome to my channel Hours Computer Learning. My name is Tarika Dedipya. Today I am going to tell about the CSS color value lesson number 5.1. Yesterday we have completed about the CSS color. So yesterday we have started the lesson number 5. So today is lesson number 5.1. We have the 0.1, 2, 3, 4 because it's a very big color values. So going to our topic, we have seen already about this RGB value, hexa value and HSL value, RGBA value and hsla value. RGBA and hsla is a alpha value, that is 50% transparent, and we saw this same as the color name tomato, and we have seen our result, and this is the same as the color name tomato but 50% transparent. So this is the example we have already completed about this. If you miss, I will give you in my description so that you have somewhat idea what I am telling about and telling slowly. So first we are going to see about CSS RGB value, which stands for red, green, blue, is a color module and in which red, green and blue light can be added together to reproduce a color. The RGB function accepts the RGB value as a parameter. So here I have given you a red 255 and one parameter, green another parameter that is in the 99, and blue another parameter that is in the 71. So each parameter red, green, blue defines the intensity of the color between the 0 and 255. For example, RGB is 255 and green is 0 and blue is 0. So it will displayed as red because the red is set to its highest value of 255 and the other are set to the 0. So it will be in the red color. So if RGB is 0, 255, 0, it will be displayed as green because green is set to its highest value 255 and other are set to the 0. So the color value will be the green. And in the same way, if the RGB value is placed 0, 0, 255, it will be displayed as the blue color because blue is set to its highest value, that is 255, and the others are set in the 0. So the color will be in the green. So in this case we use this RGB value and we adjust the parameter and experiment our colors. So experiment by mixing the RGB value. To display the color black, all color parameters must be set to 0, like RGB 0, 0, 0. To display the color white, all color parameter must be set to 255, 255, 255. So you just experiment by the mixing the RGB values, and if you want more colors, you can search Google it for the color value RGB. You'll get many colors and you can use any color of it. We are just saying what is RGB only. So here I have given you one example. In this example I've given some colors, so pause and write the value or else wait for my notepad explanation. It will be very clear, so no worries. And this is the shaded of the gray are often defined using the equal value for all the three light sources. This example is the shaded of the gray, so these values are same as red, green and blue but different value. So you can pause and write by yourself or try by yourself or else wait for my notepad explanation. It's very easy, no worries. So okay, now we are going to see about the CSS hexa value. We use hexa color in the web design to designer and develop. A hexa color is expressed as a 6-digit combination of number and letter defined by its and mixing of red, green and blue, that is RGB. Basically, a hexa color code is shorthanded for its RGB value with a little conversion, that means gymnastic in between them. So in CSS color, can be specified using a hexadecimal value in the form. Now hashtag RRGG blue blue, that means BB, red red, green green and blue blue. So where RR is red, GG is green and BB is blue. So in this hexadecimal value between 00 and FF, same as decimal 0 to 255. For example, hashtag FF0000 is displayed as red because red is set to its highest value FF and other are set to the lowest value 00. Same as for the green, it will be hashtag 00FF00. It will display as green because green is set to its highest value FF and the others are set to the lowest value 00. Same as the blue. Same for the blue also. Result is hashtag 0000FF. It will be displayed as blue because blue is set to its highest value FF and as usual others are set to the lowest value 00. So it will be the color output is the blue color. So in this example I have experiment by the hexadecimal value below. So you can pause the video and try. You can try by yourself or else wait for my notepad explanation, friends. And next I am giving the same shaded of gray are often defined using the equal value for all the three light sources, same as the RGB. So after our notepad explanation, you can try by yourself or wait for my notepad explanation. So today we have completed our CSS color value, CSS RGB value. So we first CSS color value we have completed with our notepad in our previous notepad lesson. So you can see in my description. Next I am going to explain CSS RGB value in my notepad and CSS RGB value shades of gray and CSS hexa value and CSS hexa value shades of gray. So after our notepad explanation we see about the lesson number 5.2 and hexa values hsl value. So and we have seen about we have another lesson 5.3 also, so that will be alpha 50% transparent. So don't miss it. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Signing off, Tayarika Dedipya. After my name I will give you a subscribe button. Click on this subscribe button, click on the bell icon for my notification. Thank you friends, bye.